Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Education is Fun. So guys, before starting, those who are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get instant notification. So let's start with today's topic, World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. It is the United Nations principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of the environment. Environment Day is a global platform for public outreach with participation from over 143 countries annually. Each year, World Environment Day has provided a theme for businesses, non-government organizations, communities, governments and celebrities to advocate environmental causes. World Environment Day was established in 1972 by the United Nations on the first day of the Stockholm Conference on the Human Environment. In 1974, the first World Environment Day was held with the theme Only One Earth. Since 1974, the World Environment Day has been hosted by 34 different cities in 25 different countries around the world, from Cuba to Korea, from Belgium to Brazil. Some countries have hosted the main celebrations 2 or more times, including Bangladesh, Canada, and China. The theme of World Environment Day 2021 is Ecosystem Restoration. Issues like pollution, biodiversity, global warming remains on focus on World Environment Day. World Environment Day also raises issues like food waste, crop yield, and water shortages. We can start protecting the environment on our own and plant some trees in our house or garden. The celebration of World Environment Day takes place through various activities in India, especially in schools and colleges. Teachers plan some effective programs to create awareness among students, such as essay writing, subject discussion, slideshow, quiz competition, seminar, and workshops. The state of our environment is falling day by day due to pollution and global warming. So, we must celebrate environment-friendly development to save the environment for a better future in our country. So thank you everyone.